not a speaker, only a soldier with more expertise in counter-terrorism. I'm going to talk around my life experiences. And yes, I will speak straight from the heart.
There's often a debate called that guns versus butter debate, or nowadays it's called bread versus bullet. And that means that every rupee that is spent on defense is called a burden. But I am here to tell you that it is not a burden, it is an investment. It is that kind of an investment which pays dividends that no balance sheet can capture. Can any business person tell me what is their biggest hidden cost? I think it is the cost of uncertainty. The Indian Army absorbs that cost of uncertainty so that you don't have to. The relation between war and economic prosperity is really to be understood like this. Even a tea vendor in Warangal is affected by a conflict in Iran, isn't it? 3 days ago, 4 days, Monday, when Donald Trump announced that they were nearing a deal, and Donald Trump said, now we are going to reach a deal and we are going to lift the blockade. Our Sensex jumped 1187 points. Closer home, in Operation Sindoor, in overnight, one day, the Sensex was wiped out by over 1200 points. More than 7 lakh crore investor wealth was wiped away. That clearly shows why the kind of interaction there is between war and the economic growth. The Indian Army provides stable borders. It provides a secure border, and a stable country. But it also provides more. What is more? It's not only guarding the borders or keeping the country free of terrorists. It also drives the domestic growth. Manufacturing in a very big way. You take big business houses around the world, Lockheed Martin, General Electric, Boeing, Airbus, I can name more. All of them are actually military order suppliers, basically. They manufacture missiles and rockets. So they drive the growth, the economic growth of that country. And that's what is happening in our country. Over the last 10, 12 years, our Atmanirbharta, Make in India push has actually started driving economic growth in our country as well. And something very interesting, what the military does. The military also, there are many innovations and inventions that the military brings to the mankind. Most of us use GPS while coming here. If you drive a Tesla, you have radars in the car also. You use drones for photography, even for weddings. Yes, what is common between all this? All these things that I mentioned to you, what is common? Anyone? All these are military inventions, either in World War II or later. All these are a result of armies or air force or navies providing for them. I'm going to shock you, or at least surprise you with some very unthinkable things. The duct tape that we use so often is a Second World War thing. Military packages it was made for that. The duct tape. Aviator glasses for the pilots, for the glare. Wristwatches. Men wear wristwatches. It used to be only a ladies' style symbol thing. To coordinate attacks in Second World War, then wristwatches were slapped onto their wrists. So I can go on. And I'll leave with a very interesting fun fact that so many such things military has provided. Military also provides skilling. It provides you skilled and trained, disciplined manpower. Have you heard of Agniveers? After 3 years, they will come into the society. This year is going to start. So the society will be enriched by such things. So now, all this, like you heard in the snippet, all this is possible because of the Indian Army soldier. It all happens because of his bravery, his dedication and his hard work.